Hey guys, Kilroy here, episode number 20. You're watching MAKO TV. Alright guys, sorry it's been a while. I went down on vacation to South Padre Island, got my ass a little burnt, a little tan, had a little fun. Got a little drunk, a little hungover, and now I'm back. So let's get right into it. Let's jump into the news.
Brought to you by Airsoft Today, World Airsoft News.
Our first story today is Mad Bull's just announced and released their new vertical foregrip, SE-3. It's your standard vertical foregrip. It's got a nice groove for your pressure switches, for your tack lights, your laser lights, and it's also got your plug like every other vertical foregrip for your C123 lithium batteries to hide in. So if your battery goes down in the middle of gameplay, pop them out, pop them into your flashlight, you're good to go again without having to slow down. And they're available in OD, black, and tan. They look pretty sweet. You guys should check them out right over here. Link in the description for the full story. VFC just announced they're also going to make a Robinson Arms Armament XCR in partnership with Echo One USA and SOCOM gear. It looks like it's tan, it's got the folding stock. It looks very similar to the other one, but it's made by VFC. If you know anything about VFC, the majority of their stuff is pretty awesome. It's full metal, great construction. Quite a few of the guys we airsoft with recommend VFC. Bandit, he likes his. Claymore of MSC likes his. So you guys should really check them out. But once again, I'll put the link down in the description. Since they're a sponsor of our new segment for MAKO TV, it wouldn't be doing my job if I didn't give them a little help, a little plug, a little shout out. Airsoft Today, you might have noticed if you've been there on their site lately, they're kind of lacking the news stories that they had all the time. Right now it's just releases on guns and stuff. They don't have that background because they're only two guys. And they both have full-time jobs. Kind of like me. I have to do all this stuff in between my job. They have to do the same thing with their job. They're from Austria, so their hours of rotation are awfully different from ours. But they're looking for editors, publishers, writers, if you want to call them. If you think you could write a column, every day, every week for their website, hit them up. office@airsofttoday.com. Talk to Moritz out there. Good guy. Him and I set up our little partnership with MAKO and Airsoft Today. We make our video, we use them as our sponsor, use their news stories, they put our websites over there. We build up an Austrian fan base. So, it's pretty neat, pretty cool. So get over there, give them a hand. We've been following this one pretty closely, the WEAKG-BBR. We've been showing you guys videos, showing you guys pictures, the full travel bolt, how you gas it up. Thing's just coming along sweet, it's really badass. They've released a couple of new videos. You can click on the video here and go straight to the video, check that out. But why would you want to do that and not look at my pretty face? But you can do that, or I'll put a link in the description with everything else. Go on over to Airsoft Today and check it out. It's badass. Well, that's all the news we have today, but let's go ahead and talk about the fun stuff. I didn't get to go because I somehow magically forgot that I had scheduled a vacation to South Padre. So I didn't get to go with my boys and the CMA guys out to Pigeon Hill to shoot real steel guns. AKs, pistols, shotguns, Mosin Nagants, British 303s, SKSs, the whole 9 yards. They had it all. They got some really good footage, so I'll shut the hell up and we'll get into that.
You're watching MAKO TV. Very accurate. I'll let him do it. I don't know. What is that? It is an AR-7 survival rifle.
Safety, typical Russians. Good timing.
Aim, single fire, boom! Got it!
Look, it's
enjoyed that. It was pretty neat. They had a lot of fun out there, as you can see. Super jealous. They kept sending me pictures of people shooting shit, and I'm just like, come on, man. I'm in a car traveling 14 hours. You guys suck. So I got teased while I was going down there, but whatever. Anyway, aside from that, I hope you guys are also enjoying the MAKO footage, the full-length footage from Tabs 4v4 a couple weeks back. I'm slowly getting it out, but the three different views at the same time is a bitch to render, and you got to sync the audio so you're not getting echoes, and it takes about 5 hours to render when I move it even a second. So it's taking its time. I'm going as fast as I can, guys, so bear with me. Took a break out to make this episode because it's been 2 weeks since we've had an episode out there, so doing what I can for you guys. This episode, we'll be going back out to Center Mass Airsoft, playing at their field on 27th Street here in Kansas City. You guys should check them out, KansasCityAirsoftClub.com. For now, they're currently working on their website, CenterMassAirsoft.com, so keep an eye out for that as well. I also want to give a quick shout out and a thank you to Stock Snipe Out. I hope you guys visit our website very much, MAKOEvents.com. But I put a video up there from one he made for us. He did a big shout out of other YouTube channels. Mentioned us. We're up to almost 220 subscribers now. It's almost getting close to doubling what we had. Most of the bigger channels we've talked to asking for help, help us establish our channel a little bit more. They love what we're doing with the channel, and we want to hear from you guys too. So email me, Kilroy@MAKOEvents.com. Email LA@MAKOEvents.com. Let us know what you guys want to see. Want to see more gameplay, less of me talking about bullshit. What do you guys want to see? So email us, let us know, and we'll take it to mind and really consider everything. Registration's officially been open for Operation Midnight Harvest 2 for a month now. We've got a couple guys registered, guys that are diehards for our ops. They love it. We've got our admin set up, Deuces secured. Still trying to get on that secret location for the Blue 4 to meet at. Local city department of Lawson there is giving me a runaround, so hopefully they'll come through and let me know if we can use that or not. If not, we might have to change a few things of the game around, but I'll keep you all posted. Once again, MAKOEvents.com, jump over to the forums, check out the gameplay, the rosters, that kind of stuff. I hope to see you all out there. It's going to be a blast. That's all I got for this episode of MAKO TV. If you guys have any suggestions for the show, badass war stories, anything you think we should cover news-wise, send it all into us, Kilroy@MAKOEvents.com. We'll make sure we get it talked about. But until next time, mags out and safety's on.